Hello guys, welcome to Workshop tutorial series. Today we are here to discuss a new connect which is Xero. Okay, so I just install a Xero Connect and there are few menu options. So first one is the credentials and it will require some of few credential information, and after when you are putting all the required information you just click the connect button. So it will authorize account access permission, and I just simply allow the access. It will take few seconds, and after that it will redirect to the Odoo. Okay, so when you redirect to the Odoo, it's mean you are successfully authorized your account, okay, to use the services that we are integrating in Odoo. Okay, so the next one is the connector. Okay, so here there are the few services that we are integrated in Odoo. The next one, the important thing is the tenant ID. It may be multiple if your account has the multiple tenant IDs. So I just have a one as per default. So I am showing this one is single value. Okay, and you have to adjust the time limit. Okay, so which time frame of the data that you are looking for. Okay, the last step is simply click the sync button and it will perform all the activities, or you can say the actions. Okay, so first one we start with the contacts. So I go to the contacts in Odoo. So I already have created few of contacts. Okay, to save the time I just export these contacts in Xero. So I just adjust the time frame limit. Okay, and just simply click the sync button. So the process will take few seconds. Okay, so process is completed and I'm going to check in Xero. Okay, so as you can see the contacts is successfully exported. Okay, as per the email addresses and all other information stuff. Okay, so I am going to add a contact in Xero, and that will we import in Odoo. Okay, so click on add contact and you justify some of the sample information. Okay, I just put some of the sample information. Okay, and just save the contact. So I think it's valid email required. So as you can see the contact PL is created successfully. Okay, so we are going to import that contact in Odoo. So I just go to the Odoo and select the import. Okay, and just simply click the sync button. So it will complete the process, and just go to the contacts and refresh the as you can see the PL account is successfully imported in Odoo. Okay, so as you can see both operations import and export works perfectly. Okay, so move on to the next one. Okay, also you can see the history of import operation and export operation from here. Okay, so let's see what kind of information. As you can see, one contact is a import and the other information. You can also see the export information. Okay, so I just move to the next services, which is the products. So I go to the product, invoicing, and the products. So I just I have to create a new product with some dummy information. So the product is successfully created in Odoo. Okay, so I'm going to export to Xero. So I just simply click the export button and select the Xero tenant ID. Okay, and you can adjust the time limit and just click the sync button. Okay, so the process is completed. So I'm going to Xero and check out the product is loaded or not. So I'm going to product and services. Seconds while loading, and the product is successfully added. As you can see, I add a product in Odoo and export into Xero. Okay, so I am going to add a new product or item in Xero, and you just justify some of the dummy data. And you have to you can say some of the default values. It's up to you. You can adjust the predefined parameters, and also you can specify the purchase and this sell. Okay, so I adjust some of the default values. Okay, and save the product. So the product is added successfully in Xero. So I am going to import that product in Odoo. So I just simply click the import and just simply click the sync button. So it will take few seconds and the process is completed successfully. So to check out the product, I am going to the invoicing and the customer and product. So go to the products. So as you can see, the iPad 2021 is imported successfully, that we are creating in Xero. Okay, so as you can see, the both operations works perfectly. Okay, as we perform import and export. Okay, so move on to the next one. The next one is the purchase order. Okay, so in that service we just have one option, that is import, and in the case of sale invoice, the other service which have also only one option, that is import. Okay, so both services or components has only one operation. Okay, so I am going to create purchase order and sale invoice in Xero, and that will import will in Odoo. Okay, So I'm going to create a purchase order. Click on the purchase orders. So click on the new one. So I just put some dummy information while creating a purchase order. Okay, so I select a single item and just click on approve. So the order is created successfully. So as you can see, order is created successfully. So I'm going to import that purchase order in Odoo. So I just simply click the import and click on the sync button. So the process is completed successfully. So I'm going to check out from invoicing, customer, and bill from vendor. So as you can see, a new purchase order is imported successfully that we are creating in Xero. Okay, PO 0001, and here is the serial number. Okay, so the import purchase order operation works perfectly. So the last one is the sale invoices. So first of all, we have to create a new sale invoice from here, invoicing. So here we have to create a new one. Okay, so I just simply add a dummy information. Okay, and just click on approve. So our invoice is created successfully. So we are going to import that invoice in Odoo. So I just simply click on import and just sync the process by clicking the button. So the process is completed successfully. So check out from the invoicing, customer, and invoicing. Okay, and as you can see, the new invoice is added successfully in Odoo that we are creating against the law customer. Okay, so as you can see, the import invoice from the Xero to Odoo works perfectly. So all the functions that we covered. Okay, so hopefully it will be helpful for you. Happy to use Xero Connect. Bye.